Good morning. How are we today? Jamie, hi. How are ya? Or should I say Jamie? Welcome in. I finally did it. I added it. I'm so happy. Got the little Spotify what's playing thing going. So that way if you're ever curious what we're listening to, you can look it up. Right there. I also there's a feature with my stream bot that oh, yours freezes? Oh, that's a bummer. What bot do you use? Because mine also allows me to, when the song changes, it can post the Spotify listen link in chat for me. Oh, like the audio itself, Spotify stops working. Oh no. Is it just your internet on your side, friend? Yeah, I'm just gonna chill here for a bit because an ad break is running. Um, I apologize. Those who are subscribed, um, you're still here, but for those who are following, I'm going to wait a few seconds so that way they can get back to what we're all doing today. I don't want them to miss anything. I think that's important. Also, I'm debating changing the color that is. Oh, that's not right. Debating changing the color of what you call it. Oh, interesting. So, one thing that I have learned is that Spotify is very picky about microphone audio. That if it thinks that your audio is being sent on the same stream as this, it thinks you're recording the Spotify music from like a device. So it will just stop playing. So that might be what's happening. Always worth checking. Um yeah, so I for a little while when I was playing D&D online through Spotify, I would have the music routed to the same mic as this, and I would just route them together and send them over Spotify or over Discord. And it got angry at me and I couldn't figure out why. So what I did is I made one stream that was Spotify, like an audio input, and one that's my mic. So that way when it was sent out, it didn't associate it with my microphone, so it didn't think I was recording, which I wasn't. And it allowed me to send those streams to it. I had to buy an app to make it happen, unfortunately. It wasn't as simple as just uh, checking a button and it all just worked. I had to get something for it, but um, it's that Mac life. So, um, so yeah, one of the things that we're gonna do today, uh, now that we're all back from the ad, um, I did have to buy an app. Well, I'm also in the professional app development, design, and technology like field, so I pay for the apps to support the people who made them. Unfortunately, I have to put my pirate hat away when it comes to apps because I know the work that goes into them, especially the ones that I need. There are other pieces of content that I maybe put my pirate hat back on for, but for the certain things that I need, paying the $9.99 for an app and having it forever is totally worth it if it means I get to support the person that in some cases, I know the person who made the app. So I wanna be able to support them. So also, I'm gonna take my watch off. I'm realizing in addition to my setup that I need, because right now I have a clock, um, on the desk. Obviously, I have to change it because of the time change, um, for daylight savings, but, I realize that I don't look at it as often because I have all these other digital devices that have clocks on them. So I'm wondering if I can have a little set for my watch here that's just charging, and it has a nightstand mode that just has a big old clock on it, and it's got seconds and everything. And I don't wear my watch while I stream because I don't like it the wrist rest on my keyboard. Thought it could be interesting. Anyway, so today, what are we doing? Obviously, it's a just chatting stream because in theory we aren't playing a game today. Um, I thought about doing science and technology, but just chatting made a lot more sense because you're going to be watching me do this process. And as much as yes, technology is involved, because I am doing what I'm doing, I think it made more sense for me to make it a just chatting because a lot of this is going to be figuring things out together. So we'll see how that goes. Um, so I am going to have to do something really quick in an effort to make sure that certain information doesn't get out. So give me a second. Let's switch over to here. And I have to create a um oh no. Hold on. Sorry. I'll be right back. There we go. And then we'll bring this over. And then I'll swap. Hey, look at that. It blocks the content that I need it to. So yeah, the long and short of it is that underneath here is some information that I don't want known. Um, just because then people can use it. So, what we are doing today is shutting down the server, the Minecraft server, and updating it to 1.21.3. At least that's the hope. I have a pretty decent list of all of the mods that are currently on the server. And then we're going to look at the data packs here in a second, so that way we can update that because that's all through um, that one thing. What's that site? Um, uh, Vanilla Tweaks. Oh, it does say 120. Thank you. I was so ambitious. I just did that wrong. It has been updated. Thank you. It's going to be wrong in all the alerts that I just sent out, but oh well. um Also, I don't know why uh there we go. Copy. Paste. There we go. Uh-oh. What's the problem with the school drawing? Okay. Um The server is offline. So the first thing that we're going to do, or first thing I did already, is I created a backup. So now we have a 1.21 backup. So that is all good to go. Next, we are going to update the server to the latest version, which I believe is this 1.21.3. There's an almost no measurements for the thing I'm drawing. Is that on purpose or is that a oversight? Okay, 1.21.3, the server is updated. Now we have to go in here, mods folder, and we have to update all of these to the modern version. So what we're going to do is go on to the site called Modrith. And I'm actually going to remove that for a second so that way you can see what I'm doing. In fact, there's only one, and it's not doing as good, not as so good at helping. Yes. I had a project because I'm in a grad school class right now. Scenic painting. And the way we do stuff is so meticulous when it comes to repetition of things that all of our measurements are on the paper. But that doesn't mean that they're all helpful. Extrapolation is key when it comes to that sort of stuff, is that being able to look at one dimension and extrapolate the others that you need from it. But it's not always as easy. Cool. So, I started a folder, didn't I? Or am I crazy? Or I wanted to? I don't remember. We'll do 1.21.3 server mods. Cool. Basically it means I can't accurately place the measurements for it, which is bad because I need to add said measurements. Yeah, that would be bad. I could see that. Since we're just chatting, I'm going to put chat back up above me. Also, the shape is just weird. Well, you're on my Discord, yeah? If you share it in art and I think art and music is the category. Music and art. I'd love to see what you're working on. I'm a big art fan, mostly because I'm in theater as a job. But okay, so let's get all of these. I have the check boxes and everything. So let's start with Armor Poser. And get the latest and greatest version. So 1.21.3. Oh, it's not art. Oh, it's not art. It's just a drawing. Is it for a CAD or a Dimension? Like, 1.21.3. There we go. Okay, so download. And we're just going to grab stuff from the download folder and throw it in here as we get it. Then we'll go over and check the box. That way we know that that item is good. So next, I am actually going to skip ahead in line a little bit and get fabric and cloth because it's important to have those for almost everything else we're doing. So 1.21.3 and cloth config 1.21.3 fabric. those ones are probably like the core things that almost all this other stuff is going to be based off of. So we have to make sure that we're good to go there. Why isn't it showing up? There it is, Fabric API. Oh, did it not download Cloth? Was it silly? I will give you all the seconds, my friend. Okay, there it goes. Okay. So Cloth, perfect. So let's go back to our list. I know this is super bright. So Fabric and Cloth, done. So audio player. Versions 1.21.3. I think this is what you call it? I think this might be a beta version. Why aren't you actually downloading? Why does that button work? Well, it's alpha. Download. It's just angry at me. Why is it so angry? I don't get it. It doesn't want to download. It is angry at me. So yeah, how's everybody's morning going? What y'all doing today? And I'm trying to remember, Matt, do you have daylight savings time where you are? I know it's different everywhere. Which is silly and stupid, and we should just get rid of it. But that's a different conversation. There we go. Audio player downloaded. I'm going to change this so that way. Oh, there we go. So much better. Change to white. Got it. Boom. Okay. Now it won't blind us. I don't think we have that. Yeah, if it's I didn't even realize daylight savings was happening today. I thought every TikTok I saw in the morning was old. Yeah. Isn't that fun? Um, okay. So excellent. Bad packets. Yeah, welcome to the very chill. Ooh. I hope that means it's universal. Hmm. We're gonna hope for the best and that there isn't any update that is gonna crash the server, because that has happened before. So I'm actually going to do one of these because I really don't want to just keep switching between pages when I could just switch between tabs, because this will be a lot easier. There we go. Okay, so our next one is going to be Balm. What's the good news? Give us the good word. Turns out I don't need the measurements. I can just guess. Oh, yay! So did you clarify about the assignment? Better stats. Also, Jamie, I know we talked about getting and worked on getting you all set up so you can join the server just for me to update the version. Luckily, I'm updating to the version that yours was already on. So you should be able to just click on that version again and then you're good to go. I don't think I need bingo. That was a fun game, but I'm not going to add it just yet. I'll see what I can do later. I'm drawing a place from where I live, and with a place, I mean a kilometer-long piece of land. Okay. So it's a landscape sort of situation, a plot. Chat heads. For sure. I looked at it again this morning until you pinged the channel. Sorry. How are you feeling, by the way? Obviously not, we don't have to go into details. I'm just curious if you're feeling okay. Okay. Now I gotta remember the name of this app because uh, it's just called DC integration, and I don't think it pops up if I search for that. Oh. Ow. That's fine. Do your thing, my friend. Thank you for the lurk. I appreciate it. And we'll actually just yay! Wait. I gotta do the thing. Where is it? Load faster. Oh, that's even better. That's awesome, my friend. That's good to hear. Ooh. Does that mean we might not have Discord integration for a while? That's gonna be my this is a what you call it mod. This is almost purely for administrators. Um it just allows us to see what's going on in the server without logging into the panel. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna do a yellow, like a caution. Maybe this works. Dine map. This is another one I have a feeling isn't ready yet, and unfortunately, um, we may just have to accept that for right now. Paper, spigot, fabric. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not sure Dine map is going to be a thing right now, and I think what we're going to do is uh we'll do an orange for we want it, but it's not ready. Red is we don't really need it anymore. Yeah, okay. Okay. So next we have entity, is it model features? Entity texture fixtures. I think I need to do, oh, that's client side. Entity texture. I believe needs to be installed on the server so that way we can do our custom textures. I'm curious if the model one is necessary. So I'm going to get that one too if it's updated. Have you ever played Party Animals? I have not. Do tell. Explain the game for me. Fabric language Kotlin. Dated 3 weeks ago. I hope that's accurate. We'll see. Floodgate. I have a feeling that I'm going to have to go to Geyser's website for this. It's a 3D fighter game where you try to be the last man standing. Very fun party game. Ooh, okay. That sounds exciting. Let's go to Geyser's website. Download. What version of Geyser do we have? Fabric. Okay, I hope that's the right version. Guess we'll see. I'm gonna get rid of that. Let's hope. But we also need Floodgate. Versions. Well, let's updated yesterday, so that's a good sign. So there's Kotlin and there's Floodgate. Excellent. So Floodgate, Geyser, and then we got Kotlin. That one might be hard. The GitHub Resource Manager. Because this is something that was very, very useful, and I really want it. Okay, it might not work. It was updated last week, so there's a chance that they did fix it. But that is a mod that has become essential for us because it allows me as a admin to update a GitHub resource, like a GitHub repository, and it gives an alert in chat that the resource pack has been updated, and then you can leave the server and rejoin, and then you get all the new resources, which is super, super nice. Why is the ads just popping up like that? That's so weird. So that looks like it's good. Instant group. I think it's a voice chat mod. So let's just get all of those. So simple voice chat. Enhanced groups. Simple voice chat Discord group. I think that's all the voice chat ones. Okay. 1.21.3. Perfect. Voice chat enhanced versions 1.21.3. Simple voice chat Discord bridge 1.20. Ooh. Might not work, which is a bummer because that's also very, very helpful for us. But I'm going to install it on the server and hope it doesn't yell at us. So that would be instant groups, voice chat Discord, voice chat Fabric. I am not doing voice chat interaction this time around. It was fun, but being down in the deep dark and having your voice trigger it was very cool for the time that it was a thing. I don't think it's as fun anymore. Why didn't this one download? There we go. Also, I need to update my throne list. I made that a long time ago, and I don't think I've touched it. Okay. Up next, we have lithium and Malib. Oh. Uh-oh. Is this really necessary anymore? I'm gonna have to do a caution one for this because I'm not sure, based on the description, that one is necessary, but I know it's not updated. So I know this is it Sakura. Because no, the GitHub name is Sakura. I'll do Sakura GitHub. That's it. Okay, so if I go to this one, there should be a bunch of them. Okay, so Lightmatica. Let me double check that these are updated. 1.20, 1.3. Okay, so we're going to get a bunch of them right here. So we're going to go Malib, Syncmatica. Um, Style chat, style player list. I think that might be it. Okay, that's old. Did I already download Malib? Oh no, I didn't. Okay. So we're gonna download that and Syncmatica, boop. And oh, there's not a release. We'll look at that one later and style. Okay, so that is a lot of the Sakura ones right off the bat. So we got Malib and then we got Syncmatica. Let's add those to the thing. And then we'll check later with the other stuff. Okay, so we need Monkey. I'm trying to remember what other mods this library is for. Because I can't remember. I can't. Oh, I need to clean this mug. It's seen better days. Oh, this might not work. Well, let's see what mods I actually have on the server. Oh, GitHub resource pack. Yeah, this is important. We're gonna hope. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hope for the best that this works. What was the color of it might work, but we're not sure? Yellow? Just like gotta be cautious about that. Multi-world borders. That's right. We added that recently. I have a feeling this one hasn't been updated. Oh, we're gonna try it regardless. This will be yellow. Like the server might crash and this might be the reason. That's what yellow is. Nether portal fix. Updated 5 days ago. That's a good sign. Yes, it is. Beautiful. I think what I'm most excited about with all of this is, so I'm going to start the server first after I get all this installed. And I'm going to join it with a vanilla client just to make sure I can connect and everything does what it's supposed to. 1. 2, I'm going to update my client side mods and then connect to it and see if that works. I believe it's only going to take the 2 hours that I normally stream. If I start running into issues, I want it to be on the client side before, I want the server to work. And then we'll figure that out. Did I already put this? Nether portal fix. Yes, we did. Okay. No chat reports. This only exists so that way that pop-up doesn't happen for everyone on the server. Because it gets really, really annoying to have that thing pop up, and the people who play on my server, they're not the sort of people that get reported. Like I'm gonna flex for a second and say that people who play on my server are awesome. Peak. Beautiful. I do hope that player pronouns. I hope that Shulker Plus is updated, because that is going to be very important soon, because we finally opened up the end on the server. Also, another thing that I'm doing after the server is up and running is I'm going to be expanding the world border today. I'm excited. This looks like it might be a caution one. The player style chat versions. I know this is one that we need. And then styled player list. Another one that we need. Okay. So I know that style player chat and player list. So pronouns is probably going to be a yellow one. I downloaded it. It should work. But if not, and the server crashes, that's why. So that style chat. Oop, not status. Styled nicknames. No, styled playlist. What's styled nicknames? I don't remember. Nicknaming mod allowing the server players and admins to change their nickname with full forming support. Oh, that. Yes, I forgot I added that. I should probably tell people I added that, because that is kind of useful. Cool. Status. Update 11 days ago. Beautiful. Status is good. Here comes the ones that I'm worried about. Joker. Okay, so far so bad. I suck at drawing. For now. You may feel that now because eventually you will get better. Improvement is a process, it is not an instantaneous action. There you go. See? Exactly. Everybody is better than they think they are. And if you think that you are great, there's a chance you're not. I know that seems a little soapboxy, but oh, Shulker Plus, no. That one's probably going to be yellow. I'm going to give it a shot anyway. I'm going to hope for the best. No, I know, but the last time I drew something was 2 years ago, something that wasn't for technical drawing. Hey, progress doesn't have timelines or deadlines, like especially personal progress. You get good at your pace. Whether outside factors factor in or not, it is up to you. It is your pace. I'm excited to see what you end up making if you're willing to share, because I always love seeing I love seeing progress. I love seeing people's ability turned into something awesome. Boop. I'm also realizing how many of these mods are so, I wouldn't say specialized, but you can kind of see and feel the what you call it? Nope. Lost my train of thought. Oh, there isn't a 1.21.3 version. Uh-oh. Let's go to the... I'll just do a Google search instead. Just started experimenting with mods again. While the one I added doesn't change much, the whole game feels different now. Ooh, which mod? I'm curious. Yeah, I wouldn't say I was against mods, but I definitely had this like this attitude of I don't need mods for a long time, and I don't know why I was so annoying about it. Oh, I'm also gonna have to go get the data packs. I don't think I made a list of those, but I should have. So we'll do boop boop. We'll go to container, Chainline chapter 2, data packs. Okay, this list is a lot shorter. We'll do what we did last time. Also, I just realized I need to change the name of this file. It's going to include data packs as well. There's also some data packs in here that I don't need anymore because we had some fun with some data packs when the server first started, and then we just started playing normal Minecraft. So, oop, oop. And Herobrine Lethal Company. Oh, I love that so much. Is it summonable or is he just in it? Because I would love to know. Um, let's put this all in courier. Hmm. Literally everywhere, inside, outside. No! That's too much. That's too much. Okay, this is much shorter list. I believe all of these we can also get from Vanilla Tweaks, except for a handful of them. Ooh, they updated their website. It looks so clean. Okay, so let's look at the list. AFK display. Okay, we're gonna click on all the ones that we need. Fast sleep, pardon me. Multiplayer sleep. Spectator conduit and night vision. Unlock all recipes. Silence mobs. Wandering trades. Player head drops. More mob heads. Custom nether portals. I need to find the updated version of armor statues because that's not correct anymore. Anti-Enderman grief. Scrap sand. Informative. AFK display. Oh, more good news. I'm excited. Durability ping. Nether portal cords. Don't have real-time clock. Track raw statistics. Is it track raw? Yeah, track raw. Workstation highlights, wandering trader announcements. Don't need any of the teleport commands. Admin tools. I think that's it. I will unzip you. There you are. Beautiful. Okay. So we'll get rid of this because I just need to drag all those. I don't suck at drawing, so that's cool. Yes! Yes! Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh no. Good job. I'm so proud. Okay, let's look at this list compared to this one. So AFK, anti-Enderman, coordinates HUD, custom nether portals. That one I need yet. Double shulker durability pin, fast leaf decay, husk rot, more mob head, multiplayer sleep. Nether portal cords, player head drops, silence, spectator, track raw, unlock all recipes, villager workstation, boom, boom. Oh, that is almost all of them. Uh-oh. Outline is positive direction. You are moving in a positive direction. That is not a bad thing. You are you are moving forward, my friend. Oh, I didn't want this. I wanted the download. Where's the download? Files. 1.12. Boop. This is me. Does not say that this is. Ooh. Hold on. You know what? We're gonna give this a shot. And see. So let that run through. Awesome. So we'll do boop, boop, boop. We're gonna make that yellow. And then custom role play data. Files. Ooh. We'll hope for this one too. I hate that this doesn't load while it's in the background. So I have to draw the houses and whatever's in the outline. Hey, again, sounds like progress to me. Okay, name formatting station. I don't know why I put an S. I hope this one works too. So that's the other thing about data packs is once 1.21 happened, unless there was a massive change to the way data packs work, the only difference is you just have to update the data pack version. So it might just be me going in and adjusting a couple of the files. So crafting tweaks. This is where we're going to get a lot of our rotten flesh to leather. I'm doing it. I'm adding it, friends. It's happening. Charcoal to black dye. Universal dyeing. Pardon me. Unpackables. Okay, cool. Direct. It's funny that what you call it? That what you call it? It's funny that I forgot it. Man, I hate my brain sometimes. Yeah, I got that. Universal dyeing, I got that. Where's storm channeling? Is that in data packs? Or did they get rid of it? May have gotten rid of it. Which kind of stinks, but also not the end of the world. Stackable shulker boxes. So all this does is allow empty, similar shulker boxes to be stacked. That's all it does. It doesn't do anything else. Cool. I think that's it. That is all the data packs that we need. A couple ones that might not work. Take a break. The outline took at worst 10 minutes to make. Hey, it's not bad. 10 minutes is not that bad. Okay, so I think we have everything that we're going to need to update stuff. So what we need to do now is delete all the data packs. And again, if this doesn't work, I have time to fix it. So we'll delete all that. And then we'll upload desktop, Minecraft stuff, 1.200 data packs. And we're going to upload all of these. So all of the data packs should load up. Hotline Miami, so be right back. Have fun. I'll see you in a bit. We'll go to mods, grab all of these, delete them. And we'll do the same thing, all these. And we're going to hope that I can boot up the server and it just works. Add instance. I'm creating a new instance of vanilla 1.21.3 over on the side. Also, there will be an advertisement about 2 minutes. I will try my best to stop what I'm doing so that way you can all continue seeing this process with me and you don't miss anything. So that is loading. I am going to pop this back up because I have to scroll to the top. And I'm going to drink some coffee. Oh, by the way, I got myself a new coffee mug. I'm very happy with it. 20 ounces. It's got the handle, which I really like. I was joking with my shop employees that I can't wait to lose this in more interesting places because I can hook it on stuff now. So there's more chance that I'm gonna screw it up. um Find that mug exactly. Ugh. Okay, these mods are taking a while. But I'm hoping I can just click start and the server is up and running. That would be the goal. If we don't have any errors thrown back at us, then we should be just fine. This process is taking a minute. Oh, my launcher needs to update. Boo. Oh, here comes the ad. Okay, now it's grabbing all the stuff that it needs to. Thank God. Heck yeah. Also, I was looking up because I was super curious. I was looking up uh what's it called? The royalty-free music service where you can just basically pick a genre and it gives you a big old playlist of that genre and it's all royalty free. Really debating if I want to use a service like that. Because I like that I can find stuff on Spotify that works, but it's very repetitive. No compatible version of Java. How dare you? There we go. Boop. Launch. There we go. And Minecraft. Awesome.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
Nah, I'm good. Okay, so we will do a handful of things. I am going to turn off music. That way that's not running. And we're going to try to launch the server and see what happens. Ready? Okay, I hit run. Farts. Update. Dang it. Okay, there it goes. Loading mods. Data packs went. Okay, server stopped. Why did it crash? Maybe because the server version was wrong. So let's try again. Let's just start it and see if that was the reason it crashed. Nope. Okay. Invalid entries. Invalid entries. But what caused the crash? Compatibility, mix and apply, multi-world borders failed. From mod multi-world borders. Okay, multi-world borders crashed it, which I think was, yeah, multi-world borders was definitely one that was a question mark. So I'm going to open up this in a different thing. And we'll disable the ones that don't work. So instead of doing anything else. I'm just going to use the color coding that I got. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to uncheck. Because right now that does not work with the server. So we'll start there and we will give this another shot now that that is gone. And see if another one crashes the server. Failed to start. Geyser fabric. Okay, Geyser is the problem. Could not execute entry made errors provided by Geyser fabric. Is this the version I have? 2.4.4. Doesn't even say. Well, let's download it regardless. Oh, download. We'll delete that. Okay, it's still uploading. We shall wait. Okay, there it is. Back to console. And we'll refresh because the chat log is so long. Stop the server because it's just frozen. And I want Geyser to work because there's a few of us who also play on Bedrock. And I want the compatibility to be there because I like being able to jump on the server from my iPad when I want to. I don't do it very often, but it's really, really helpful from an admin standpoint to be able to do that and not have to pull out my whole computer. I gotta kill it. I'm sorry. One more time. Let's see what other mods crash it because it seems to be going in alphabetical order. Mixins, method overwrite. Yes, the shulker box is probably failed to start. Geyser fabric. Okay. Do I have to just get rid of Geyser for now? That's going to be sad. Um, Orange. Okay. Oh, we're on the data packs. Loaded. Discord integration. Preparing world. Minimap started. And the server log is working, so it's integrated with Discord. Okay, so as of this moment, the server is running. Let's do ourselves a favor and jump on real quick to see if it works. Oh. Okay. I can never remember my server's own connection info because I'm silly. Okay, here we go. Server requires custom resource pack. That's a good sign. Oh. Let's look at the error log together. Maybe a shark bit some cable. Packet handling error. Stack trace. Client bound false fabric. That's not enough information. Okay. That doesn't make any sense. What problems are we getting? It doesn't even say that I connected on the server side. Like if I do this, oh no. I joined the server and it crashed. Oh, why did that happen? uh oh no. That's bad. Why did it crash? Let's go look. Um Unexpected exception. Fabric permissions API. Stopping server, saving players. 67. Unrecognized recipe. Okay, I tried to connect. Ignored advancement, tried to load, removed now. Using fabric permissions. Encountered an unexpected error. No such Minecraft class method. Did I need... Is there another fabric thing that I need? Pardon me. Okay, so in the council, what version am I on? That'd probably be a good idea to know. What is happening? Settings. Why? Okay, let's go look at the actual crash report. Okay. Everything was fine. Then I tried to connect. Okay, it looks like armor statues might be an issue, which is a data pack. this the latest version? Let's go to the source. Well, that's not helpful. All of these were updated 3 years ago. But this was updated just about a month ago. Is armor statues causing an issue? Okay, hold on. Where did I join? There I am. Okay. Ignored advancement. Encountered unexpected exception. Where? Fabric permissions, audio player permissions. Okay, I gotta go to crash reports. So files, crash reports, 8 minutes ago. Exception and server tick loop. Okay. Okay, but what's the error number? Minecraft, Java, memory, processor, frequency. Balm is incompatible. Name formatting stations incompatible. Custom roleplay incompatible. Armor statues incompatible. Damn. Why is Balm incompatible? Minecraft Balm. I have so many tabs open by the end of this. Mods. Balm. 21.33. 21.33. So Balm is correct. But why is it saying it's not? You see that? Ugh. Name formatting station. Let's look at the source. Okay, that one might not be compatible. That might be an easy fix, though, because I may just be able to open up the jar and update the data pack version. And by jar, I mean zip, because that's how data packs work. I'll look that up later. Okay. Okay, armor statues is incompatible. Why? Looking at armor statues, MC meta. It says 2.8, which is such an older version. Armor statues data pack. That's the version I have. But it says it's wrong. Oh, this is so fun. Watching me do all this, I'm sure you're all having a blast. Ugh. Interesting. Well, the error doesn't give me enough to say why it's not working. Exception and server tick loop. Whitelist. There's something wrong with my whitelist? Solved. Oh. Oh, interesting. Is that anywhere in here? Audio player permission manager. So is it a permissions issue? But why is it crashing the whole server? That doesn't make any sense that it would crash the whole server. Interesting. It's gonna crash again, right? Yeah, okay. Internal exception. Yeah, connection reset because the server reset. Yeah, the server's restarting right now. If I go back in the crash reports, here's the latest one. Audio player permissions manager. Is it really the audio player that's giving me this issue? Because I would be upset. Uh, so mods, audio player fabric. Audio. Find it faster. What are you doing? Come on. What's the difference? Let's try this version. Um, you can't see it, but I'm just restarting the server over on the left under this black box, but I don't want you to get the server IP and info because that's sensitive. That being said, there's a whitelist, so it doesn't really matter. But server marked as running. Disconnected and it crashed the server. God dang it. Server tick loop. I don't get it. Welcome to Dustin staring at code live. What is happening? I don't get it. Um, okay, what were the other mods that were questionable? Discord integration is working, so that one's probably fine. Monkey lib. Player pronoun Shulker Plus was another one. Let's temporarily get rid of Shulker Plus and see if that helps. There goes the server data. Booted properly. Everything is good. Got the alert. And server started. Don't crash. I farts. Okay, so if it's not Shulker Plus, I'm going to put it back. um... I really think it might be Audio Player that's giving me an issue, which doesn't make any sense because Audio Player is only compatible with people who have it. Okay. JRM. Interesting. Okay, so let's go back to this. Audio Player Permissions Manager. I hope that's not it. Let's go to config audio player. I wonder if that's it. We're gonna give it a shot. So it's gonna recreate this file once the server boots up. Servers started. Yay. Okay, so there should be a config file in here again. Excellent. I want to double check. Allow static. Okay, all of that is good. Server stopped. It crashed again. Crash reports. Let's search this one. Wondering, you reinstall Minecraft. Remove some mods you don't need. Hmm. Interesting. Why doesn't... Okay, so what's upsetting me is that it doesn't say exactly which one is causing it. Match ops, audio player, abstract reference, abstract match OPs, array list, reference pipeline. Is it my ops list? None of this info is about the actual thing. It's all about my computer. It's gonna crash again, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Let's look at... Said it might be an ops issue, so we'll look at that. Okay. Did the ops list return? And it's blank. Okay. Okay, it wasn't an ops list problem. Son of a biscuit. Yeah, let's at least OP myself here in a second. I love coffee. It's my favorite. Okay, server is restarted. OP. OP. There we go. OP. Okay, my OPs are back. So there's that at least. Let's look at this. So audio player permission manager, permission node, admiral method. Let's look at the server tick loop again, because if that is what's happening at its core, maybe there's something else that I'm missing. Files, it usually has to do with the file access permissions of folders. So while the solutions passed on works temporarily, you can do two things, permanently fix problem. Okay, it sounds like it might actually be a an issue with the server not having all of the appropriate files it needs to allow it to run with people connected. And that if you reinstall the server, sometimes like if I go into, where is it? Not server.jar, that's not right. Server properties. It'll tell me basically it's somebody tries to connect, it tries to look for certain things, and if it can't find those files because it's not installed properly, it won't boot. So that wasn't the problem. Let's try searching this. Pardon me. Okay, let's grab the whole line instead of me trying to be cheeky. Check folder and file permissions. Although you mentioned that the folder permissions appear to be correct, it is worth double checking. Right click on the game folder, select properties. Hmm. So the client isn't crashing, but the server is. Encountered unexpected exception. Fabric permissions API. Is it still a server tick loop? It is. The what? Okay, so config. Okay, it's not this because it works. Is there another? I don't get what's happening. You know what? I don't know what these do. And I did see an error with Balm, so we'll try that and see if it regenerates those files, which it should. There's no reason why it shouldn't. If it needs them, it'll add them. It only added that one, so that's an interesting sign. Crashed again. Let's look at the crash report that he posted. Failed to load. You know, maybe it's Floodgate. Because Floodgate is running without Geyser on here. So let's update that as well. Give that a shot. An ad will be starting about 2.5 minutes, my friends. Just so you know. Okay, server has restarted and it is live. I am happy how fast the server restarts. That didn't change anything, did it? Nope. This issue has been solved, but the server stopped crashing. Solutions disable. So it's just a singular mod problem. See, so audio player permission shows up here. And I don't want it to be an audio player issue because audio player mod is very important to the server. Okay, what were some of the orange ones? Or the yellow ones? Monkey Lib, Shulker Plus. Discord integration seems to be working, so I'm not worrying about it. Monkey Lib. Is it VC integration? Do I need to install it? Is that the problem? Simple voice. We're getting to the bottom of it. It's just taking a minute. You know? Ugh, man. Modrith is a little buggy. Okay. What is happening? What is happening? Okay, audio player. Excellent. Double check that we have that version. Boop. Game version 1.20, 1.3. Game versions, platform. See if either of these help. The voice chat, Discord, VC interaction, voice chat fabric, and then audio player 13. So we'll delete that. Restart yet again. Wait, is it a voice chat issue? And crashed again. God damn it. So audio player is giving me issues. Oh, why? Ooh. Admiral. What's Admiral? Edit suggestion provider function arguments. Because Admiral is popping up in that list quite a bit. Is that the problem? Is that Admiral is not updated to audio player for it to work properly? Can I search? I can. Yeah, because if we look up here, audio player, permissions, Admiral method, match ops. The Admiral is in there. Okay. Yeah, Admiral shows up here a few times. Yeah, because you see it's a sub mod. Like Fabric API includes all of these. And Autoplay includes Admiral, but it's 1.21.1 instead of 1.21.3. So is it just a miscommunication there? Do we have the right fabric loader? Guess I can get rid of these. Delete. Fabric loader.log. I'm gonna restart, see what happens. So scientific, I know. But we're figuring things out. We're working through it. Server starting. Server started. Crashed it again. Okay, the same errors and the same layers. Um, this is probably gonna throw an error. It didn't. Let's give this a shot. Yes. Okay, then what? How do I analyze? I want to analyze. Let's download it. And we'll try to upload it instead. Date added. Minecraft crash log analyzer. What do you mean something went wrong? Ooh, okay. This isn't as helpful as I thought it was going to be. Oh, interesting. Okay, I'm starting to learn a little bit more about how this works. Um, hey, I think that's the problem I'm having. Uh, mods. I'm wondering if that's all it is, because if it is, I'm going to feel so happy about it. It's just a permissions error with Fabric. That's all it was. Dang it. Okay, let's see what okay, that works. Um okay, it looks like we're good. Now I just got to get my client set up, which by the way, I put the elevator shaft in, which I'm very happy about. So and by put it in, I mean eventually it's going to be replaced all with obsidian so the flying machine doesn't get stuck. But like that's how tall the elevator is going to be. I had a lot of work on my hands. But yeah, it looks like the server is running. I don't have any of the mods on my client side, so I can't fully test it. But let's call that a success. So I'll disconnect. So it is working now. It was just a silly permission error. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call that because I'm gonna work on my client stuff off camera. I think that makes a lot more sense. And it gives me time to really like hunker down and do it. So yes, I think I will call it a stream. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And watching me do this weirdness and this craziness. I know that it can be a little stagnant at times, but I'm learning. I hope you all are as well. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. Design and conquer, my friends. I'll see you at the next one. Have a great rest of your Sunday, and even better start to your week. Bye.